Looking for adorable and easy 7-month baby photo shoot ideas at home? In this video, we'll show you creative, budget-friendly, and heart-melting DIY baby photo shoot setups you can try with your 7-month-old right from the comfort of your home. Whether you're a new parent or just love capturing precious baby milestones, these ideas will help you create Instagram-worthy baby photos without needing a professional photographer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more baby photography tips, parenting content, and DIY inspiration.